Welcome to Module 2, everyone. The focus of this video is the 2-2 literature review practice assignment. So I want to kind of quickly go over the expectations for this that may answer some questions that you may have about the assignment. This is the guidelines and rubric document, which I highly recommend that you look over before attempting this assignment so you know what the expectations are. There are two requirements for this journal activity. So it's a journal activity that's going to be private between you and I. The two reading activities that you have before completing this assignment is one, to read Chapter 6 in the APA Publication Manual, 6th edition. That's on citing sources. And the second is to click this hyperlink within the rubric and read the article, Positive and Negative Perfectionism and the Big Five Personality Factors. This is the sample article. Everyone's going to use this to complete this practice literature review. Now, this assignment is a direct lead into the 3-2 Final Project 1, Milestone 1 literature review draft assignment, which we'll be doing in Module 3. So you're going to get some practice here in Module 2. You're going to apply that information and those skills for your assignment and your first milestone assignment for Final Project 1 due in the next module. The requirements are listed here in bullet format. Okay, but I'm going to take you to another document which is also available to kind of help you. You have a template that has this information on it, and I would recommend that you download this template. It's a Word document. This literature review template will be used. You'll fill in the information underneath these bold questions that outline the requirements, and you'll fill in your answers underneath there, save the document, and this is what you're going to submit for this assignment. This is also the literature review template that you're going to submit in Module 3. You're going to have one per the 3 articles, but we'll get to that next week. For now, just focus on this. Let me jump back, okay, and I want to take you to a sample, and this example literature review is also available to you, and I recommend looking at it as you complete yours to make sure you have the necessary elements for your literature review. The first item, all you're going to do here is use the APA citation format for listing your reference. So how would this reference show up at the end of a paper in the reference section? And that's what you're going to do here. Use the APA guide for that. The second requirement, what's the purpose of the article? So what they're asking here is, what knowledge is this article contributing to what we already know about a given topic? So parental and adolescent personality, that's what this article is focused on. What is this contributing? So the article you're going to review, what is the purpose of that article? You're going to state that there. The hypothesis or claims, what do the researchers think they will find? What do they think they will find when they're conducting their study? That's their hypothesis. What claims are they making? What variables or factors are being looked at? That's the next item right here. Are they looking at specific elements of the Big Five? Are they looking at gender, temperament? What variables are being looked at, are under investigation, so to speak? Moving down, historical significance. This sometimes trips students up. But what this means is, how does this research fit into the overall picture of what we understand about a given topic, about personality or temperament or extroversion in children, as it says there? How does this contribute knowledge, and how does this lead to future investigations or future research? It's important that you get this down, because you are going to be developing a research study. You're going to be designing a research study. And research is a cyclical process. So when a study publishes its findings, those findings then lead to new studies and contribute knowledge and understanding or clarification on what we already know. Okay, second to last, what type of research design is used? Did the researchers use questionnaires? If so, you can list the type of questionnaires or discuss them. Statistical analysis, you can, if you want, you can discuss what statistical analyses were used in the study. Was it a correlational study? Was it an experiment? Was it a case study? Looking at these elements of research design will help you when it comes time to develop your own study. And then the last part of this is, do you think the research in the article was conducted in an ethical manner? Why or why not? This is important. Don't just say yes or no, but why or why not? Explain. Support why you think it was or wasn't an ethical study. And if you have any questions as you get underway with this assignment, please feel free to email me.